Yo, coming to another video too, you done know. So you guys, I am currently at the junkyard, LKQ in Fort Lauderdale. And I stumbled upon this very unique X5. This is actually a 2001 BMW X5 with a 3.0 engine. And as you guys can see, it has the aerodynamic kit on the car. Similar to what I just picked up recently. It's so sad that it's end up here at the junkyard, you know. Literally a full-on aerodynamic kit. A very rare option to come by. What makes this X5 even more unique is the fact that it has a 5-speed manual transmission. And as you guys can see, it was pretty well optioned out with heated seats, DSC, distance control. Here's the money maker right here, yo, the 3-pedal. This is something else. I can't believe something like this so unique has ended up at junkyard. And it looks like it was a pretty well optioned out car too, or truck I should say, because I love all the little wood grain that it has. Mind you guys, the car has been taken apart some, you know. The car has been posted for like, it's like 3 days now, and it already looks like this. It's so sad for this because this car is very unique, and you just don't see them like this, you know. The aerodynamic kit itself is just very unique to find on these X5s. I don't know if this is factory, but it looks like this has a, wow, it is factory because it is BMW. What? That is crazy. Yeah, this looks like it was factory. But yeah, you guys, I just wanted to go over a little bit about this X5. I thought it was very unique. A truck like this, of this caliber, should not be at the junkyard, honestly. A manual transmission with an inline 6. Man, I mean, me personally, I like the facelifted X5s, but I mean, if it's coming with this much heat, you can't really complain, you know. But anyways, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe to the channel. I'm definitely gonna be posting more content on my X5 that has the aerodynamic kit on it. But I just wanted to share with you guys this kind of sad life of this X5. But anyways, you guys, stay positive and stay tuned.